can you wear that to court? Let's look at the law.
Hello everyone, welcome. What do judges have to say about what is worn in court by litigants and advocates? Those are the people representing them. And you might have some, ooh, I didn't know that moments when we compare US and UK courtrooms. So let's get started. So on the screen, you can see an illustration. There is something that you cannot wear that is not allowed in the British courts. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a few seconds to write something in the chat. Okay, did you guess right? You cannot wear anything on your head. So no hats in court or tribunal buildings, though you can wear face coverings and you can wear something to cover your head if it's for religious reasons. Apart from that, there are no other rules on what you can wear. The guidance is to dress smartly if you can. And I would suggest, if you're going to family court regarding a child matter, to dress modestly. If you cannot avoid wearing a short skirt or dress, then wear dark tights. Not everyone has a smart suit, and the courts understand this. Jeans are fine to wear, but wear a nice top or shirt with them. Now is a good time to play a short clip from a very well-known judge in America that we all love over here in Britain. What does she have to say about wearing short skirts or outfits? Let's have a listen.
This is my sister.
Is she a witness to these proceedings? Did she know she was coming to court today?
She knows.
Where's the rest of her outfit?
That was the most professional clothing she could find, I guess.
You don't have a pair of long pants?
I do, but I assume this is appropriate since it's sold in stores.
Sold in like business apparel stores?
Yes, business apparel.
Different kind of business, I guess.
Do you go to church?
I'm a Christian.
Did you ever go to church?
Yeah.
Did you ever go to church?
Yes, I did.
Would you wear that outfit to church?
No, I wouldn't.
No. You know, I just wanted to know where your head was at.
This might be obvious, but don't wear shirts with offensive writing, as you don't want the court to be offended. The court is not a party venue. I found several videos where American judges call out the litigants or defendants in court for dressing inappropriately. Now, it might surprise you, but how one dresses for family court, the judge or fact finder can infer what kind of a future is in store for your children by your influence of what you are wearing. So here, let me play an example.
And that's a ridiculous shirt that you chose to wear to court today. I'm just letting you know that. Do you understand?
Yes.
I mean, I don't know what kind of statement you thought you were making, but if you wanted to leave the impression on this piece of tape that you're going to have for posterity for your children that you are an intelligent thinking person, that shirt that you're wearing belies that fact.
Okay, so you might be thinking, wait a minute. I only have t-shirts that have writing on it. And when I'm helping clients in family court, this is often a concern we get, is that they don't have any other outfits but sweatpants and sweat tops, and they're all dirty. Well, if that's the case, talk to your legal representative if you are concerned about what you need to wear. And if you can't borrow some clothes, check out charity shops. These are known as secondhand stores in America. Now, my research did find that America is similar to us here in Britain regarding dress codes. However, some states in America will have their own, quote, encouraged rules, unquote. So you will have to check out each state. But for example, there are some rules on what to wear and what not to wear. For example, jeans with frays in them. Now, I had to laugh when the fashion came out, and I thought to myself, are we actually paying for jeans with rips in them? Put a 1 in the chat if you bought a pair. You can count me in. I did buy a pair as well. So the other thing the courts, might discourage is t-shirts. And in a bit, we're going to hear from a judge say something about t-shirts. And I'm still laughing, so I can't wait to play that one for you. Now, on a more serious note, if one is being brought in from court from jail, you may not have a lot of choice on what you wear. Let's listen to a judge lose the plot after hearing an accused offender complain to the court about not having access to proper clothing.
Excuse me?
Other hygiene products that she greatly needed and requested. So she's going to...
Excuse me? This is outrageous. Is this for real? I have a defendant who has been in your all's jail for 3 days, who is standing in front of me completely pantsless, has no pants on. She has requested pants for 3 days and has been denied pants for 3 days. She has no pants and she is in court. And she has also been denied feminine hygiene products. What the hell is going on?
Wow, can you believe that? And for clarity, pants in America means trousers, and for Britain, pants means underwear. Okay, so we heard about the courts admonishing folks before the courts and those responsible for bringing detainees before the courts. But what about advocates representing clients? Well, the same applies. They should dress smartly. But in some places like Britain, in courts, judges and barristers wear long robes and wigs. The robes are referred to as gowns. Let me read to you what a judge in a Crown Court, that is our court for serious criminal offences, had to say to an advocate in front of the press and jury. He said to the advocate representing a defendant, "If you want to look like something out of Harry Potter, you can forget coming to this court again. I have been practicing in this court since 1978, and I have never seen a barrister or a solicitor appear before these courts." Now, I don't want to tell you what the article says he was wearing because I want you to read the article. The judge continued, "If you ever appear before this court again dressed as you are, I shall exercise my rights to decline to hear you." You've got to read the article to see what he was wearing. The judge also questioned the advocate about his right as a solicitor to wear a barrister's wig and gown during the trial and asked whether he was a member of the Law Society. Well, I guess it doesn't matter who you are before the courts. Judges can be difficult. And the director of the Solicitors Association had just as much to say. In this article, he says, judges are difficult, whether it's a solicitor or a barrister in front of them. It's a personality issue. So he goes on to say, what would have been a more appropriate way for the judge to handle the situation of dressing down an advocate? So, yeah, I encourage you to read. The article is very informative. Now, I found this next clip hilarious because I can imagine the defendant felt completely flattered. But it's of a judge in America after a very long day, and she had many defendants before her, and several of them were wearing white t-shirts. So let's hear what she had to say.
And sir, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. For a moment I thought it was white t-shirt day today. So
remember, going to court is not just another day. The outcome will mean a lot to you going forward. So the way you present yourself will say to the court that you respect the process. By leaving a comment, you may help someone else that will read your comment. And of course, I love to read all comments as they are valued, and together we can be more informed. And this information may help you or someone you know. In the meantime, on this channel, you'll find a variety of playlists to suit every curiosity about the justice system, and we provide you with a visual to information and the process. Going through a legal worry is devastating, and the Who Knew and Why Me playlists are designed to help you or someone you know. So please like this video if you like this kind of content. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified when I'm going live or upload another video. I'm Karen Cole from Legal Minded Friends. Information is power, meaning if you know something, you can make decisions that are right for you.